Heart's beating faster in a minute. I'm high on slow dancing with you. 1, 2, 3, keep it going.
how it's so multi-cultural.
All blacked out, then flying with you. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. I don't care.
Okay. Let's meet our friends. Oh. You wanna? Oh, they're here. Oh. Kanpai. Is this your first time too?
Duck meat, yeah. First time.
Duck meat? Oh, duck meat. Oh. Thank you.
Heart's beating faster in a minute. I'm high on slow dancing with you. 1, 2, 3, keep it going, last forever. All blacked out, then flying with you.
Oh.
I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into
Oh, what is this? Dango? Oh, shiratama. Oh, peanut? Oh, bean? Bean powder? Oh, powder of bean. Powder of bean. Arigatou gozaimasu. Doing full makeup today because yesterday I felt like I just didn't spend enough time on makeup. And I'm gonna go to an Edo museum and then explore Shibuya, take it easy, maybe tomorrow, and then maybe some nightlife tonight, we'll see. Alright, the motto today is take it easy because I've been crazy, like all over. Alright. Let's see this makeup situation. Travel makeup toiletry tip. Keep your things in a compact bag because it helps you to bring less stuff, and then when you're living in a small hotel like this one, you don't want to scatter your stuff everywhere. So the less stuff you bring, the better. I already washed my face. I already planned out the day. I planned out the day last night, actually. It's a very realistic morning routine. Oh my god, last night was so awesome, guys. I met up with my friends that I've known for years. They live in Japan. And they took me to this traditional Japanese restaurant. Food from the Edo period, Edo style food. And it was really fresh, authentic experience, a cultural experience. It's really amazing. I tried to capture as much as I could. Time for some more shabu shabu. I'm seriously turning into like a hot blogger. From different angles, it looks different. So it's kind of cool. Giant turd. It's supposed to be a flame, but it looks like a turd or a radish rather. love these corner lockers. So convenient. I might even use it today and store my shopping while I just go sightseeing. Ginza to Shibuya. Where do I go? Where do I go? Shibuya. There it is. I want to chat a little bit about like personalities and stuff, socializing. Always been a very introverted child. Perfect timing to talk about this, right? Sarcasm. Always been a very introverted child, but kind of not changed, but like evolved a little bit, I would say, as I grow up. And I need that break where I cannot be constantly socializing, and I love my alone time. Very used to that too, but after a while I do need my my friends and seeing people and socializing. So I like to have a good balance of both, but I definitely enjoy my alone time. If you guys can't tell already, which is why I do solo traveling. Yeah. Ooh, let's try a second. Yellow. Alright, let's go.
1, 2, 3, keep it going, last forever. All blacked out, then flying with you. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. I don't care about the heartache and pain, just don't let the memories fade. You know we are lost in love with a lust, but heart drums the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the.
Oh my god, yes. Collaboration makeup. I'm gonna definitely come back for these because these are so cute. Oh my god, they have little shoots here in Shibuya. It's really open. Yes! Inspired by Strictly Dumpling once again. It's like in this really empty mall. Cool. Craving boba tea for sure. Gotta get some later.
Don't care if I get out alive. Feel that beat getting harder, floating on, and we're rebels at least for tonight. I don't care that my mind's going insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain, just don't.
And it is 100 minutes? Okay, thank you. Oh. Ooh, I'm gonna have some tea. What should I get, guys? And this is good. I got the most basic one because I don't want to spend a lot, but the quality is on point. Love sesame sauce. Lunch was great. Definitely took my time. I got to eat a good amount of vegetables. Now we're gonna check out a consignment shop. Let's see. I needed to use the restroom, so here I am in the subway station for my next stop. It's nice to expect to find a restroom when you know for sure that there's a restroom somewhere. Like somewhere, like a subway station, right? Spain, no. It was tough. It's Demos character store didn't let me take any photos. It was cute. Nothing I would want, trying to save money. But it's really good if you want to get anything who likes certain characters or makeup, really girly stuff. The consignment store was really fun to look at. Not trying to buy anything, but it's really cool. They have very rare classic Chanel pieces. So I'll link that below for you guys to check out if you're in Tokyo. And they're in good condition. So check it out. Alright, I'm craving some milk tea, so let's try the milk teas in Tokyo.
It's home to everything from major department stores to unique boutiques, restaurants.
What should I get? Apparently my friend said that boba is like a new thing in Tokyo. Now they're popping up everywhere. So let's try it. They have tea, straight tea, milk tea, foam. I think I'll do a milk tea. Medium or large. I definitely want to adjust the sugar. Some hojicha. Let's do hojicha. Less sugar.
トッピングはどうされますか？
トッピング、red bean, azubi. Got my hojicha milk tea with red bean. It's about $5. The tea flavor is not strong. Or maybe because it's the hojicha. Well, I do taste the green tea inside. It's good, and it's a really nice cup that you could definitely reuse. It's cute. Alright, so let's think out loud for a little bit. Some time. Because, well, it's 4 o'clock already, and my appointment for the Pokemon Cafe is at 8 something, so probably head over there after 7. So that will be my dinner. I was gonna go back to rest and whatever, but I think I should stay out. It's too much effort to go back and then come back out. Okay, I know, this is just too much speaking out loud. Logistic stuff, but good to see a nice background, right? Right, so yeah, I guess I'm just really enjoying this drink. Do some shopping. I think it's a good amount of time.